Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Ram windshield wipers, full guide. Park the truck on level ground, turn off the ignition, and lift the wiper arm away from the glass. Press the blade release tab, slide the old blade off, and align the new blade with the hook. Snap the replacement into place, lower the arm gently, and test the wipers to confirm proper fit and smooth operation. Gather a 22-inch and a 20-inch blade, a rag, and rubbing alcohol to clean the windshield. Start by lifting the driver's side arm, depress the release, and slide the blade off the hook. For passenger side, repeat with correct length, inspect arm for damage, and wipe the glass clean before installing the new blades. Secure each blade until it clicks, lower arms carefully, then cycle the wipers to check contact and noise. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum that offers voice control and smart mapping to save time. It picks up crumbs and pet hair so you can spend more minutes working on your truck or relaxing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If the wipers chatter or streak, replace the blades and recheck arm pressure to improve contact. Remove debris from the blade channel and confirm the rubber edge is straight and intact. Tighten any loose pivot bolts and gently bend minor arm kinks back into alignment. After installing both blades, spray washer fluid and run the wipers across the glass to confirm full sweep and absence of skipping or noise.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.